Hi and welcome to my new channel, Lorving Vibes. Today I'm going to show you how I did my summer nails. I'm starting with my nails ready to apply color. If you want to see how I take off the old gel, check out my last video. I will link below. Let's start. Put a layer of your primer. Now a layer of the base. We cure for 30 seconds. Today I will be using Imperial Orange and Gossip Girl. I'm choosing 3 nails in orange and 2 in pink. We will do 3 layers and each layer will be cured for 30 seconds. Today, I'm going to apply stickers. To glue them, we're going to use a coat of base in water. Start by cutting the sticker you want. Now, take off the cover and submerge in water, so the sticker come off the paper and set aside. Put a layer of base to the nails that you will apply a sticker to. Cure for 30 seconds. Clean the excess of the nail. Take your sticker and slide the paper off. This one didn't work. For better results, put it on top of your hand, slide off the paper, and then place it where you want it. With the help of our number 4 brush, a little bit wet in water, we stick it to our nail and clean it. Remember, when decorating, follow your heart. Cut the extras. Now we put a layer of top coat. Make sure to get all the edges of your stickers. Cure for 30 seconds. After curing the coat, clean your nails with pure acetone to seal the gel. And go on to the next hand. Ta-da! So Summer nails done. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more.